Why do 70% of young entrepreneurs in Pakistan explore global markets? Because the world of import and export is brimming with opportunities. Let's dive into some of the most promising sectors. Dropshipping, a low overhead start, lets you sell products online without holding inventory. Or consider becoming an import-export brokerage, connecting sellers and buyers globally. For those with a knack for sourcing, a product sourcing agent might just be your calling. Automotive enthusiasts can venture into used car importation, while tech-savvy individuals might look at smartphones or used electronics importation. The beauty and wellness sectors also offer lucrative opportunities with imports of beauty products, health products, and even luxury watches. On the export side, Pakistan's rich agriculture allows for booming businesses in agro products, such as cassava flour and pure honey. And don't overlook the potential in exporting leather goods, timber, or even musical instruments to tap into international markets. Choosing the right niche depends on your interests, market research, and readiness to meet global demands. Start small, think big, and unlock the limitless possibilities of international trade in 2024.